Okay, so getting ready to make some fudge brownies. I guess the title like keto fudge brownies, but even if you're just doing a low carb diet or, you know, just looking for healthy alternatives, then this is something you would probably like. So I've got 12 tablespoons of butter. Some dark chocolate is 2 ounces. This whole container is 3.17. So I didn't see any of the 90%, but I did get 86% since it was on sale. So, you know, the higher the Keto percentage, the better. I have some baking powder, 3 eggs, and those are large eggs. And I have 100% of the Keto unsweetened powder. I have some almond flour, and then I have the Swerve sugar replacement. So whatever keto or whatever sugar that you prefer, as long as it's a sweetener or alternative to sugar, then it should be go for you. Then I just got my measuring cup. I have a 1/2 cup measuring cup, and then I have the teaspoon. All right, let's get started.